look at you, and then you would, mas nakakanya ka na sa akin, yung parang proud ako, na proud ka sa akin.
Proud pa ako. I'll see you when you get back. Will you text mo kami pag nandun na kayo?
Siyempre naman.
Kasi,
Depende lang
I'll
kung
text
bumangon dito. May
I'll text
premiere.
you when we get there. Para pag we'll come visit you na lang.
Excursion.
Excursion!
Punta ako sa inyo.
Excursion. Ay, oo. Punta ka sa bahay.
Kasi parang gymnasium yung condo namin ngayon. Ngayon mula na nag-COVID. Wala nang ayos.
Huwag kang galala kami.
Para siyang gym. Hindi kayo, at least may pool. Kami napababa kapag. But I'll cook for you.
Yay!
Gusto mo sama natin si Juday. Matutuwa. Para
Nice working with you. Touring with you. It's always nice working with you. The next time. I love you very, very, very much. You have no idea. I miss you already. I'll see you when you get home. Ingat kayo, ha? I will miss the hugging.
and the love and all the things you taught me.
I will see you pa naman.
But not every day.
I know. Bye-bye. I love you. You be safe here. You be safe here. I love you. You be safe here. And you have a great time with the premiere and the other things that you need to do.
Thank you for loving me.
Oh, ate. You're not very hard to love.